Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please have a look at the question. 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x minus 1. This is given equal to 24. And we need to find the value of 2x to the power x. There are 4 options. You can select the correct option, but we are going to solve it step by step for the concept clarification. So please watch till end. Let us start from 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 24. Exponents rules are going to be used obviously. So we need to be very careful. First of all, 4 power x minus 1, I'm going to solve it. What I'm going to write 4 to the power x multiply 4 to the power minus 1. In this way, what will happen? Base is same, exponents are added, so it remains x minus 1. Because when you add minus 1 to x, it will remain the upper power. Why I did this step? Because now 4 to the power x can be taken out common and you will be left with 1 in the first term minus. Second term, I am left with 4 to the power minus 1. Now 4 power minus 1, it can be written as 1 over 4 as well. So I have written it as 1 over 4. Please check it carefully, and if you face any doubt in any step, you can write in the comment box. We'll definitely reply to you. Now 1 minus 1 over 4. 1 minus 1 over 4, if you calculate, I'm just writing here itself. 1 minus 1 over 4, you will get 3 upon 4. Right? And this is equal sign, and right side we are having 24. Now what I am planning to cross multiply here. Cross multiply means this 4 will be multiplied with 24 and this 3 will go down. Now think about it, 24 multiplied by 4 is 96 and 3 will go down. So finally what I will be left with, we will get 96 divided by 3 after cross multiplication. And once you cancel them, it will become 32 only. Analyze it carefully. So as of now, that means I am having 4 to the power x is equal to 32. Now from here we need to find the value of x first of all. What I can do, this 4 power x can be written as 2 square then power x. And here it is 2 to the power 5 in the right side. Now if you compare, what we will get, 2 power 2x is equal to 2 to the power 5. Base is same on both sides. We can equate the exponents. That means 2x is equal to 5. And finally, x will be equal to 5 upon 2. This was the most important step, finding the value of x. Now what we need to find? We need to find here the value of 2x to the power x. Check it carefully. What we need to find? We need to find this value, 2x to the power x. Okay, what is 2x? 2x is 5. I'm directly using this step. X is 5 upon 2. Right? So we are having 5 to the power 5 upon 2. But there is no option directly here. That means we need to solve it further. How will we solve it? I can write it as 5 to the power 5 power 1 over 2. Because when you multiply 5 with 1 over 2, you will get 5 upon 2, the same value. Having exponent 1 over 2 means it is square root. So that means we have square root of 5 power 5. So just simplify it. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 5 बार 5 आएगा. And what we will do? Make pairs. 1 pair and 2. Second pair. 2 pairs are formed. That means 5 will come out twice, and this 5 is alone, so it will remain inside. So 5 times 5 is 25 root 5. That means which option? C option is the correct option. We have done this question step by step. I hope you are able to understand. Thank you so much for watching today's video.